How to remove one-click pay on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to remove one-click pay on Temu. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device and make sure you are signed in. You will then be able to see all the products that you look forward to purchase. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and further tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for your payment methods. Tap on that and there you will find the option to disable one-click pay. I currently do not have this option available for me, but if you do, then go ahead and simply toggle off the button for one-click pay. So, this is how you can remove one-click pay on Temu. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.